I need your loving, so fresh, so clean. Love me in and out, I'm feeling lean.
Hello, Habibis! Welcome and welcome back to another YouTube video. Another banger. Another banger. Welcome back to another banger. We bring banger after banger after banger. So on today's video, as you can see, we're baking. We are baking a Christmas fruit cake. And a girl who can bake, a girl who can cook, a girl who can go down, a girl who can do everything. That's Nanji for you. Anyway, guys, I don't want to talk a lot. So without further ado, okay, this is not a microphone, Nanji. Yo, without further ado, let's get into the video. So yesterday, actually, I had already soaked my fruits, as you can see. So after I've soaked my fruits, it's supposed to soak for 24 hours, a year, a month, anytime you want. For me, I'm creating something children friendly, so not an alcohol based Christmas cake. Although the fruit cake is supposed to be an alcohol based, so I put orange juice instead of alcohol. Okay, you can do whatever you want, girl. You can do whatever you want, boy. Okay, so today we're gonna do the mix and put it in the oven. And let's see how it's gonna come out. By the way, this recipe I saw it on TikTok. TikTok has been of big help. I don't have a big bowl, so I'm gonna use what I have. A big sufuria. And I'm gonna bring you close to me, okay? So you won't be seeing me until the end of the cake, so that we can sit together and try it together. Okay, baby girl, baby boy. Okay. Anyway, let's get started.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she do down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract girl, baby. In the meantime, decide what I want. It's the meantime. Hope you do what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here out for myself. Sleep in the mirror, I doubt myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth. What if in a few hours would it feel like this? What if in days would it feel like months? We're gone for a year, only feel like months. Life move fast when you do what you want. I decide what I want. Hope you do what you want.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive and this you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have this place on earth, and I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have this place on earth, and I'll take you there. I'll take you there. Take you there. Won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive you touch.
Staying alive. Hours later, literally it's late at night. Hours later, so literally I finished baking a long time ago, but my cleaner came and yeah, I just didn't want to make her uncomfortable in the house, and she got a piece and she said she approved the cake. It's amazing. Look at the nuts inside. Like, look at the nuts and the fruits and the raisins and everything, and how it turned out to be brown. Really good. I was able to actually make 2 pieces, this one and the other one, and small cupcakes. My neighbor and her child, I think they passed through and they realized that it smells so good in here, and they were like, yeah, what are you cooking? And I had to give them all the cupcakes. And yeah, so this is the cake. This is how it got out and inside. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do hit that subscribe button, like, comment and share, and see you tomorrow. Mwah, mwah, mwah.